ShenZhen QBH Technology Development Corporation Limited is an innovative, high-tech enterprise specializes in intelligent instruments for over 16 years. Our main products including industrial borescope, car evaporator, visual inspection cleaning borescope, vehicle thorough maintenance cleaning borescope, snake tubes, inspection camera, etc. Founded in 2000, through a stable development and technology accumulation for 16 years, QBH currently possesses the most specialized and most productive industrial snake camera production line. We highly value the protection of intellectual property. QBH has obtained the most intellectual property rights comparing with its peer in industry. We have more than 30 patent certificates, including 2 patents for invention. QBH features strong R&D capabilities and innovation capacity. We are Shenzhen and also national new high-tech enterprise. We offer customized service, ODM or OEM, and provide comprehensive Borescope solutions covering various aspects such as design, research and development, manufacture and testing. With great professionalism, our products also sell well in overseas market. We have established long-term cooperation with many auto parts factories, such as supporting enterprise of Volvo, Renault, General Motors, etc., computer peripherals equipment factory, and also some well-known household electrical appliance manufacturer. Besides, we have signed a long-term cooperation contract with South Korea's Hyundai Motor Corporation, and being Hyundai's only Chinese Borescope supplier. QBH's core value is honesty, quality first, and customer orientation. With a spirit of professionalism and concentration, and constant innovation upon customers' needs and demands, we offer customers the practical, reliable, and intelligent professional borescope.